Hello, it's Monday the 11th of March. This is the latest EuroMillions result. These are the winning numbers, and this is my analysis of those numbers. So, these are all the most outstanding numbers. These are the numbers that stood out with the winning numbers. And these are all the coincidences. So you can see main number 17 was most overdue for its frequency, with machine free and set of balls free. The same in general with all machines and sets of balls in recent history. Also most frequent with set of balls free and machine free in recent history. And then we've got 24, which was most overdue with machine free, and then the most overdue number was number 40. So that's these three numbers. They could have been predicted. Then we've got main number 17 points to star number 8. So does 24, so does 40. And star number 8 points to star number 4 with set of balls free. So if you'd have picked those numbers out of all these numbers, then you would have won something. But 18 and 19 didn't stand out. Might have stood out on one of these charts, but anyway, now that those numbers have come out, this is what the chart now looks like. 44 nearest the top right. That one stands out the most on that chart. And then on the chart for machine free, the one that stands out is 49. On the chart for set of balls free, the number that stands out is 13. And when we look at machine free and set of balls free together, 13 is still by far the most overdue. It looks like 11 stands out on that. So I notice 42 stands out a little bit on each of these charts as well. But anyway, let's see what those numbers look like on the analyzer. So the ones that stood out were 13, 49, 44, so if those numbers came out together, we'd get all these coincidences. We've got star number 5 stands out, and so does number 6, and they seem to point to each other as most overdue. So let's have a look at that now. So now we get some more coincidences from that. And then we've got main number 12 stands out with set of balls 3 and machine 3 in recent history. So in number 12 that comes out as well, and then we get these coincidences. We get a lot more coincidences with that one. And so we just need one more number. Most frequent number is number 50. That points to 13 as well. So get more coincidences if that one came out as well. So I think I'll put these numbers on then for the next draw to get all these coincidences. So that's going to be the numbers that I'm putting on. So that concludes this video. Bye for now, and good luck in tomorrow night's draw.